Are you interested in how to hide your private pictures from others? Sometimes, when you're browsing your gallery with someone, you might come across a picture or video that you don't want anyone to see. So it's best to stay until the end of this video and learn how to hide images and videos. Let's get started. First, find the pictures you want to hide. For that, open the gallery. Open the picture you want to hide. Then click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the option Move to Secure Folder. This is where the longer process of creating a secure folder begins. Click on Continue. Once you create this folder, you can add apps and other sensitive files to it. When it comes to apps, they may still be visible in other places on your phone. But as for files, they will be safe from prying eyes. Click on Done. Then select your protection method. You can use a password, PIN, or pattern. Of course, fingerprint authentication is automatically enabled if it's set up on your phone. I will enter a pattern. You choose your desired protection method. Due to the recording of sensitive content, this part is not visible in the video. Now, if you ever forget your PIN or password, it's good to enable the Reset Password option. Click on Next. Now I will add one more picture to the secure folder. Repeat the steps. Then, you can also select multiple pictures or videos and move them together to the secure folder. Click on the three dots in the bottom right and select Move to Secure Folder. And that's it. Now find the secure folder among your apps. For privacy protection, screen recording is disabled. Here's how it looks in reality. Great! If this video helped you, subscribe to our channel and become part of our digital family.